Welcome to jazztime.com. Today we're going to be reviewing the Hublot Big Bang 341.px.130.rx rose gold 41mm chronograph. We're going to talk to you about the price, the dial, the bezel, the bracelet, the buckle, and the movement, and let you know where you can purchase it at jazztime.com for the lowest price anywhere online. As of 2016, the retail price is $29,400, but you can purchase it at jazztime.com for around $21,000, or roughly 30% off of list. The dial here uses a black dial, and it also has gold accents at the hour markers, and you'll also notice that it has luminous hour and minute hands, as well as the date at the 4 o'clock position. What I like about this watch is that it not only has the black, but it has these red accents at the minute marker, which make it look sort of like a racing style watch. I think it's quite nice. The bezel is made of 18 karat rose gold, and it also is quite unique in that it has these screws here at the bezel. I think these are more for aesthetics, but it might go through to the back. You see it actually holds the case together. You see this screw right there? That, I believe, goes to the other side. Now this is a chronograph watch, so it has all the normal features of a chronograph, and we have other videos that show that. It is 41 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger. I actually just tested it earlier. I thought it was the bezel, but it's not. The bezel from here to here is 39, but from case to this end of the case is actually 41 millimeter. I did check the profile. Now it is quite a thick profile. It's actually 13 millimeters, just to give you an idea. It does say, I think, 12 millimeters on their website, but when I measured it with, it said 13. So to give you an idea, deep sea is around the same. Rolex deep sea, that is. For the bracelet, it uses this really interesting rubber band, kind of like a tire, has like tread marks on it. It's quite interesting. Now for the buckle or the clasp, it's a simple deployment. You squeeze here and bam, it pops right open. Okay, so the movement is going to have a 42-hour power reserve, and it uses a Hublot caliber HUB2894, and it's water resistant to 100 meters. So if you like this watch, check us out at jazztime.com for the lowest price anywhere online. If you like this video, subscribe below. Thanks, and check us out at jazztime.com.